Okay, so let's have a look at the guest paper. Now for question number 1, the source question. Now a lot of topics are important. This seems important. Like look at this paper 2012 question 1, mainly part C. Then if you look at another one, that is June 2014. Again question 1 part C. Most importantly this. And if the examiner wants to go to another in another direction, then you have to look at this June 2018 question number 1 related to Ziaul Haq and one question related to Commonwealth. Because I am thinking like the examiner would go to the last part in this. That is, if you look at the question, that is November 2020 question 4. Commonwealth OIC. So that is November 2020 question. These all are for question number 1, source question. Because OIC meeting has recently happened, so something on those lines. Okay, now coming to question number 2. Okay, for question number 2, these 3 questions. Question November 2020, question number 2, November 2016, question 2, June 2015, question number 2. Question number 3, as has been told, for 10 marks question would be related to Khilafat movement failure. 4 marks, how did Pakistan name originate? And 7 marks, why Muslim League was formed. It's important to look at them. Question number 2, these 3 questions are important. Question number 4, June 2020 question 4, important. November 2016 question 4, related to Allama Iqbal mostly. So it has been just tested once and once earlier, that is in November 2014 question number 4. So expected that, and November 2016 question number 4. So these are important. For question number 5, look at this June 2017 question number 5, November 2017 question number 5, important. And let me look. This is June 2019 question number 5, along with one unit scheme part. So that is important. And just adding this because cricket has taken place, so something according to the lines of cricket diplomacy that appeared, right? So that appeared in the last November 2021 exam, question 5, because cricket diplomacy again, a topic which is important nowadays. So this one. So relationship with USSR, right, or with Afghanistan, from these two things are important. So these are the questions. Question number 5, lot of topics I have mentioned, but like question number 4, 1 to 3, 3 questions. Question number 3, I tried to be as specific as possible. Question number 2, 3 questions, and question number 1, since it's a source question, so I was thinking that one should look at these options, because either it's being mostly divided, because I am thinking that it will go to the last part, mostly related to the last part. So that's why I included these topics in case, these 2 questions in case. Best of luck for your exams. Do mention it in the comments.